All right, about ready to turn that into a beautiful deck. We'll see what we can make it look like. This is gonna be probably my second most favorite deck we've ever done. It's gonna be a big one, 16 by 27, and this is where it's going. It's a wrap. It's lunchtime. Okay, smile. Yes. We got everything lined up, ready to go. We dig holes after lunch. Well, I'm feeling like it. I'll just sit back and watch. I've done all the other holes. Evan wants to do one, so I guess I'll share the well. All right, we passed inspection. That's pretty exciting. Never failed an inspection to this point, and I don't plan on it ever happening, so. Woo. Looking good. Decking goes on tomorrow. After working late last night, Mario is back at it again. Getting everything laid out. Deck boards will be on. Hope y'all have a good day. It's beautiful out. Get it, boy, get it. Yeah. Woo-wee. All right, we gotta get started. It's lunchtime. Here we go. Woo-wee. Good old cedar. Get it all treated up and it's gonna make an amazing pergola. Try to say that 5 times fast. Megalian pergola. All right, we passed inspection. Woo! Didn't even say nothing. We loved it. Oh my goodness. We are ready to go.
Deck building dance.
Oh my goodness.
Deck building dance.
Oh my goodness. All right. Good Friday. Means I can enjoy the weekend now. This is how we know our sealer works. All right, we got an hour and a half till we're done for the day. And we need to set this pergola up. Think we can do it, Ev?
Oh, dude, yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're gonna cream this. All right, 4:15, we beat it by 15 minutes. This thing's gonna be massive. It'll. All right, I've been out and about all day, last couple of days, getting some stuff taken care of, and I come back to this. Hey, we like making messes today. some days we get lucky. And this is one of the days. We started our pattern just randomly right there, and check this out. We don't have to. All right, we got her done. Putting landscape lights in these little pockets, 6 of them. We got it all cut out around the rock here. Slopes. Hey, somebody want to bring us some Kleenexes? This wind's nasty.
92.5 Captain Nova, of course, 50.
All right, how many screw guns do we need for one job, Evan?
I don't know, maybe like 7.
All right, we just been standing here just for the last 5 minutes, analyzing, just looking at it.